Picked this up the other day. Nice little case for my cameras, all my accessories. More accessories. Pretty good. Okay, guys. I haven't made a video in a while. Been busy working around the house and just, haven't had time to get onto the car. Take 3. Okay, guys, how you doing? I haven't made a video in a while. Been kind of busy and haven't really been doing so well with my joints, actually. Not the joints I smoke, my arthritic joints. So, anywho, I'm feeling pretty good today. So I came out to the garage and see about doing some work on the Cougar. So I pulled the hood off yesterday, and I'm telling you, man, do it with 2 people. This is a heavy hood. I mean, I'm a big, strong guy, but I'm getting old, and I'm not as strong as I used to be. I did do a bit of damage because I'm an idiot. I tried to move it before I had somewhere to put it, and then I had to put it back down, and I ended up chipping that there. So, anywho. So, what I'm going to do today, I'm going to pull the carburetor and take it apart and see how far we get to there. I do want to soak it. I couldn't find any carb cleaner, so I'm going to have to see what I got in my trusty chemical cabinet here to soak. If not, I will have to go get some carburetor cleaner to soak it, but we'll see how far I get tonight. Okay? So, let's see about getting this thing off there and cleaning it up a bit. So as you can see, my bench is a disaster again because it's impossible to keep clean. So I'm going to clean this area up to work on the carb, but then I'm thinking, where am I going to set it so I have the parts? I like to have the parts all spread out when I'm working on something. I don't like, looking for parts. I like everything set out. So I wanted to set up a table somewhere, but then I thought, you know what? There's a bonus to having one of these big old boats. Look at the ass end on that baby. I got myself a table. I'll put some cardboard down and then I'll spread the parts out there to dry once they've finished soaking. Okay, so today's video we're going to file under Gus doesn't really know what he's doing because this is the first time I've done this. Okay, so I'm not a professional. This is for entertainment purposes. Okay? So I did take some precautions though because I removed my negative terminal. Just in case, because I am working with a gas appliance. And, once I start getting into this, I guess I'll get some rags to make sure I don't have any fuel leakage in the fuel lines. Shouldn't be a problem, because if I'm not mistaken, this is a mechanical fuel pump, and I don't think gas will squirt all over when I unplug it, but I guess I'm gonna find out, aren't I? Look at how dirty it is. Oh man. So here's the before. Let's get her apart and give her a bath. Okay, holy moly. Where to start? Okay, so I got it open up. As you can see, it's pretty freaking dirty in there, right? Yeah, it's stuck together pretty good. Float. Yeah. She's gonna need some cleaning. Okay, that's it for today. I got to pick up some carb cleaner. I am actually soaking this stuff in crud cutter because this stuff's really amazing for getting rid of rust and crap like that. I read somewhere that the carbs may actually have a coating on the housing, so I didn't want to try the crud cutter in case. Come on. In case it's too harsh and it removes the coating on, because that might cause issues down the road. So I'm actually going to use a specific carb cleaner on the body to soak that. So I got to pick some up because I went to Canadian Tire and they said they had 15 in stock, and me and the girl there couldn't find one anywhere. So anyways, that's what it's like now. It's pretty dirty, but she's going to come out good. That's it. She's out. Actually, you know what? This thing's in better shape than I thought, eh? As I get into it deeper, there's like, it's solid everywhere, man. I'm gonna pull the valve covers off as well and clean them up. They're pitted, so I'm probably gonna end up painting them. Not sure what color yet, because I can't get them to look chrome again. So, anyways. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed that. Hope everyone's having a good night. And I guess I'll make another video once I get it all clean and go to put it back together. Have a good night, everyone. When you remove the hood and realize you got nowhere to hang the light,